My heart is like a house. One day I let the Savior in. There were many rooms we went to visit now and then. But then one day He saw that door. I knew the day had come too soon. I said, Jesus, I'm not ready for us to visit in that room. There's a place in my heart where even I don't go. I have some things hidden there. I don't want no one to know, but He handed me the key with tears of love on His face. He said, I want to make you clean. Let me come in your secret place. Then I opened up the door as the two of us walked in. I was so ashamed it might reveal my hidden sin. But when I think about that room now, I'm not ashamed anymore. 'Cause I know my hidden sin no longer hides behind that door.